Hello, my name's Daniel here at Blackburn Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi Q6 e-tron edition 1 finished in Glacier white. This Q6 features the 83kWh battery, offering a range of up to 298 miles. The vehicle supports both AC and DC charging and can be charged in as little as 24 minutes, up to 80% when using a public ultra-rapid 350kW charger. Taking a look around the vehicle now, it sits very nicely on 21-inch alloy wheels, and it features matrix LED headlights which light up the road nicely. In the boot you will find 526 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,529 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have a gorgeous part leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction flat top and bottom steering wheel. Moving around to the front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left you have controls for the virtual cockpit, and to the right there's controls to adjust the infotainment system. On the virtual cockpit you've got access to a range of different driving data like the vehicle's mileage, your range and consumption, and there's also your audio, telephone and navigation menus. Centered here in the dashboard you have the touchscreen MMI, providing you with access to features like DAB and FM radio, or alternatively in the media section you can play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. There's navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You've got your Bluetooth telephone menu, and the system is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you well connected with your phone while on the go. Also on the display you'll find your free zone automatic climate control. There's also heated front seats and a heated steering wheel for maximum comfort on those colder days. Helping to reduce fatigue, you have the massaging seats, helping those longer journeys feel effortless. Throughout the interior you also have the fantastic Bang & Olufsen sound system, making listening to music even more enjoyable. This Q6 also has a 360 camera and parking sensors, making parking super easy. And the front passenger also has their own dedicated touchscreen, providing them with access to a range of different features. In the centre console you'll find two USB-C points, a 12V socket and a wireless phone charger for convenient device charging. There's also your automatic gear selector, along with a compartment containing two cup holders. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Audi Q6 e-tron edition 1 finished in Glacier white. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.